Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Team Bakes, where I bake, and today we're making cookies. Colorful cookies. Let's get on to it. Alright, so before we start, let us preheat our oven to 175 degrees Celsius. Okay, so for our cookie dough, you're going to need 3 cups of flour, 1 cup of granulated sugar, half a cup of light brown sugar, 1 cup of butter at room temperature, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 2 eggs, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 2 cups of chocolate chips, and 4 different colors of food coloring. Now get your bowl and add in your room temperature butter, your brown sugar, and your white sugar. You are then going to get your hand mixer and mix this on a medium speed until your butter is light and fluffy. Once you're done mixing that in, then you can add in your vanilla, your baking soda, your salt, and your 2 eggs. Then just mix it all up. Then you can get your flour and add that in and just mix that all up as well. Then you can add in your chocolate chips and just fold that in. Once done, then you can get 4 bowls and divide your batter evenly into those 4 bowls. Once your batter has been equally divided, then you can add in your food coloring and just mix it up. So here are my colors, and I really thought that this was going to be the fun part of all of this, but it wasn't. This took me forever to do, and it was just a mess. So this is my blue, and that's my pink. Kind of looks purple, but that's fine. And then that's my purple, and that's yellow. I tried to add yellow food coloring, but it just looks yellow on its own, so yeah. And so when your food coloring has been added, then you can pick up your dough and just try and roll it into a log. Yeah, a log. Yeah, so this is my log. So after you have rolled each of your doughs, then you will just stack them on top of each other, as you can see here as I've done. And there's my blue, my purple, my yellow, and my pink. Now prepare your baking tray and get a butter knife, and you're going to want to cut your log into small little cookies, and you will just place them onto your tray. And don't forget to leave space between your cookies because they will rise and grow. Now my cookies are all on the baking pan and they're ready to go into the oven. So this does make a lot of cookies because I did use 4 trays to bake them all. You will then bake these for 9 minutes. So 9 minutes have passed and my cookies are done baking, and I am very pleased by the way they turned out. I did not expect them to turn out like this. They are just colorful and nice and pretty. So you will just put these down and let them cool down. After they have cooled for a bit, then you can put them onto a cooling rack so that they can cool even further. So my cookies are done cooling. I put them into a container and they are beautiful. They just look amazing and they taste amazing. The chocolate chips in there are amazing. Everything is just amazing. So these were a pain to make. They dyed my hands and it was just hard to get the shapes and get the color, but it was all for a good cause. So if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and thanks for watching.